Right, so this is going to be view favourites, and you'll see it's very simple. So we spent 5 minutes doing it. You've got a view, there's a little star on there, that's called view favourites. You click on that, and if you pick, say, create and edit favourites, it takes all the information on your view and actually produces it for you. So you've got all your models and things, and then you can go and turn ones off, remove them and so on. If you move something over into the models to remove, that means it will remove those models from a view you're going to apply it to. And if you put a star in there, it'll remove all the models first. So it does the removal and then adds. So you go around and change a few things, take some things off, and basically you just save that away to a file. So that's all a view favourite is. Nice and simple. So Ben, you type your name and save. Right. Now there's ones for plan views, section views and perspective views. So each is different. And then beauty. So now if we go and say create a new view or get an existing view, so we'll go up to view create, and on that you'll see there's now on there a favourites file. So in this case, if you select one of those favourite files, and I think you're right there, yep, there's only one, and when it'll create that file, it'll then use all that information to set it all up for you. So basically it's every setting you've got on the plan view or a section view, perspective view is there available for you. So simple as that. You can run them in chains. There's macro calls for them as well. So you can use that then to start up your project, because there's a file we fire up in a new project and a different one for an existing project. So you can set up all the views the way you want them with any settings. There's another little thing there called view positions. View positions, yeah. So if we go back to that star again. Yep, right, no, you're doing the right thing. Do a perspective view for me. Much more spectacular on perspective view. We'll add a few things on. You'll probably find that most of our programmers aren't very good on the computer. They certainly know where some of the options are because they don't practice it for demos and things. So right, we've got a view there, and in this case, if we go into the favourites position, and basically similar sort of process, except this time it's just got the I target, or that's just view information. If it was a plan view, it'd just have a bit about the plan view. So again, you can type it in or write that away. So we'll test his skills there. You'll write that one away. And so do a fit on that view or something just to change it totally. You don't know where fit is, do you? So I'm putting him on the punch. Now if you go up there, you can walk right on favourites and just pick one from the list, and they'll apply that I and target information for you. Again, you can put these in chains, you can put them in macro calls and stuff like that. So you can have all these set up, so if you give the project to someone else, they can just pick the view favourite and go to it. The other thing though we've used them for is in the plot frames. I won't get Ben to create a plot frame because he'll be like me, he'll struggle. But as you know, with plot frames, you can never save the information, you had to have a view. So if you now get up your plot frames, plotter, PPF thing, there you'll see there's now a choice for the mode. It can be a view or a view favourite. So what that means is you can save all that information. You no longer need a view to be able to run a plot frame and plot. So you can put them in chains, you can automate everything just like you could do for long sections and cross sections. So thank you, Ben.